Alrighty, today we want you to create your own bar graph. So you're going to call people, you can text them, you can ask them on Fortnite, you can ask them on TikTok, their favorite colors. I suggest you ask at least 10 people. I'm going to ask 10 people, but I'm only going to give them a choice of these 5 colors. I'm not going to say any color in the world because then you'll have so many different things and then you'll have to have a bar graph aligned for each person. You don't want to do that. There are a million colors, right? So I just picked blue, red, green, pink, and yellow. Alrighty? You are going to ask 10 people and then I would create this chart first so you can do tally marks. So when you call someone or text them or ask them, only give them the choices that you have. Don't give them free reign. And then you can just tally up your choices. So I know in my house, 3 of us love blue, 1 pink. I'm just creating this and I'm going to leave yellow 0. Okay, so I have created a bar graph and there's 10 responses in here. So I have 3, 2, 4, 1, 0. So you're going to take this tally chart, or however you want to collect your data. Tally charts are the best way to collect it, and then you're going to transform this into a bar graph. So I'm going to show you that in a second. All right, I copied my data here so I have it, so I remember how to create my bar graph. You're going to need a Y and an X axis. That means vertical and horizontal. And what you're going to do, you can go either way, but I'm going to go up with my numbers. So right here at the corner is 0. And because I've only asked 10 people, I can just go up by ones. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty? If you ask way more people, you can go up by 2s or 5s, but you want to keep it consistent and the same each one. At the bottom, I wrote down the names. So I have blue, red, green, pink, yellow. Alrighty? Now to create a bar graph, so blue I had 3. I'm going to draw a bar up to my 3. And then you want to shade your bar in. If you have colors and you want to be creative, you can use the colors of the color down there. You can color this in blue if you want. Red, I have 2, so I'm going to go to my line 2 and create my bar graph to red. Green, I have 4, so here's my 4. You want to make it even. Color in my 4. Make it a little straighter. Pink, I had 1, so I'm going to go across. And then yellow, I had 0, so I'm going to leave it blank. Alrighty? That is how you're going to create your bar graph. You want to keep it level. So if you're using lined paper or paper from a notebook or loose leaf, that'll be easier to keep your lines in check. And you want to make sure it matches. So 3, 2, 4, 1, 0. Yep. You can see which one's the highest. Then I want you to be creative and ask questions. Pretend you're the teacher and ask questions. How many more people chose red than pink? And then ask someone to answer it after they have your bar graph. So how many more would be a subtraction problem? So there's 2 for red, 1 for pink, 2 minus 1 equals 1. You could also do a 2-step question where you say, how many more people chose blue and green combined than red and pink combined? So what you would do is you would add 3 plus 4 is 7. And then you would do 2 plus 1 is 3. And then how many more from that? You would do 7 minus 3 equals 4. People would be your answer. You can ask questions like that. You don't have to pick the same colors I picked. You can ask more than 10 people, but try at least 10, because if you're asking 2 people and then you have 2 different colors, you're not really testing your skills on bar graphs. For bar graph practice, what you can do is go to BrainPop Junior. There's bar graphs, and you can do it on IXL Math U6. So IXL Math U6. That's for 3rd grade math. Alrighty, hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.